Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about what I read today and what I learned today. Look, I want to invest my money in some variable fund that could be then they can give me a good return. Look, I have no idea what is the fund and how to find a good fund, but I have a one idea that how to find a good fund, especially in the large of funds are available in the market. How can we choose? For this, I read a book for this, and then I realize and find that I should find which funds that have a potential to give me return in a particular after a particular year after. Look, and then they have some expense ratio good, but exit load must be zero, because if they apply to exit load, if you put your money in these funds, they 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 charge. If you return your money, then they also charge. It's not good for good fund. So you should find out what is the good fund and what is the not. Look, I have a not a large information about this. Still I'm figuring out that what is the fact to find out the good funds. I'll write some funds. Tomorrow I will search these funds, how to grow and this performance in a past year, and maybe it could be a good, bad, whatever else. I have to find this and then go into deep. This is just fun. This is not a stock. If you're going to choose a stock, then you have to find out various parameter. What is your You have to read annual report and then go in deep. Annual you know Annual report which have a 300 pages. If you go to read all these 300 pages, you take a lot of time. You will take in a lot of time. So you should choose a smart strategy, that you should learn keynote. What is the keynote? In the last pages are available. Keynote is available in the last pages. You should read this and try to figuring out what is the real analysis of this field. Look, and you must read this annual report to figuring out what is the perfect goal for you and what you want. Look, and then you have to choose. There are lots of stock are available in the market. How can you choose? First, identify your make your parameter and then go for it. Look, you have not a lots of money. You have a limited money, so you have to careful about this money. Look, and one more thing, that if you invested in a mutual fund, then it will return you after 2-3 years. So prepare your mind that you should not got emphasized and not get emotional, that what is my money, how can I get money. Not like this lots of tension about this mutual funds. So neglect about this and try to learn new things, try to understand this strategy, and then go for it. This is my strategy for stock. And what is my strategy for mutual fund? I am figuring out now. Let's see what happened tomorrow. Maybe it took 2-3 days, 4